I want to start with Jane.
Okay.
I think the organization was awesome.
Yeah. Oh yes.
So it was excellent. Mameno, I'm not surprised. As a professor, the delivery, the persona, everything, she was on point. I have a still problem with John Dramani Mahama. Papa is a communicator, you know. But Mahama, as a
FM 87.9,
that's why like no names, campaign.
No, but it is part of politics.
Part of politics, but you see, it was bra is a serious, and a bra is a what did that jokes account. I'll come to it. Was not Mahama Day. I don't want to do a match on Mahama, but let me deal with the woman. Evans Medical can has said the woman as a personality, she's par excellent. I mean, she's excellent by far. Persona, education, personality,
everything.
But I have a still difficult problem, and I want to emphasize she is a wrong choice for John Dramani Mahama at this time as a running mate.
Okay.
And minyanya why John Mahama still emphasize on sa woman no, and reasons I would a wedge. I gave my reasons. One, my meaning fear when you my meaning fear when you Jane Naana Opoku Agyemang
87.9 Kumasi.
Oba Okoyo Babuna excellent. Who do this stage? Oh, battle with monopause. Oh, battle with underlying health conditions are naturally a deba, especially when you are a woman. John Dramani Mahama so emfie ekwa animu. Why your politics edu baby? Oba second term one, he will need somebody very, very, very energetic as a running mate. And kono no betimi aye adwuma ne dodo na ama no as Dr. Bawumia the man and to secure power. As to what they did with the power is another subject for discussion. Mami way from 2024 going 2025-26, should she become the president? Or negatives be brave as a person?
The vice president.
To the NDC win, I just say meetings be brave. Any pressure be a better a so to reorganize the position this country no. Mami we say pressure be brave or your honam ni boja on to me. What I say? And to me, mommy dear, I still don't understand why John Dramani Mahama, you know, now me hear debate of the future of NDC, how after 4-year term or more Kofi, you know, they will reposition Ghana. Say, well, that is not even the debate. But personally, Evans, Nipa Wunyina, Sabri, who program as with my John Sobe 3, 4, 5 times crab. Now, Kwaba, na Unroso, as a with me away, Mameno, at least, Yenimema, when you are growing the hormonal changes between a man and a woman, and these things are medical, these things are natural. For me, and I will share over the years, on your politician, she is an academia. Obeka so Kofi Bawumia, now on also your politician. Bawumia enya a different couch. He had a very different orientation. Mamene is academia. Academians always want to go follow the protocols and lead by rules and how it is. And to me, mommy dear, I still believe she's not the right choice for NDC. At this time, at this crucial moment in Ghana. But if that is so, fine.
You see, I casino. My angle is that are they looking beyond power? Yeah, when power we, and now say they are looking at how we can get the power. For me, maybe who say they could be kind of officer when you need whatever it is. Now, let's not forget say the NDC try all means or nya power. And that is what they are looking for now.
Absolutely. They just want power.
Kofi, that's what they are looking for now.
I see.
I don't know Evans issues say factions so let's not boil it within. Now as funny, I don't know bedu baby no baby bomua manadru pointer. At the time I some few months to election. We so until and the similar one is happening in the MPP. Currently, 87. Say John Dramani Mahama and him penny for taking this decision. Say now let us look at what we can do now at the moment to win power. See when power ni we are. Me crown go say issue about running vice president and in comedy recent times and na spotlight na ko recent times when Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as the running mate then started say would throw shades at the vice president Amisata. That was when spotlight started calling. I mean, him say was steady from 92 whereby what I say even in office. Yeah, share that the spotlight not to vice president. So say share the vice president. No. You see, you don't see Sani Manu Bibri say yeah ni war the vice president. So at the end war yeah policy be no deba meeting be no walk until recently Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ebemu. Now dan kwaku fado at a point even in the second term knowing very well say I'm gonna prepare somebody in Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia started putting the spotlight on Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Yeah. A hona be who say event bi o ha no be lead no be press conference questions bi o ha no be bisa then the opposition so started targeting him now to the point that spotlight started say about Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so or say
87.9
driver's mate. Yeah.
You see no super sport train who feel that spotlight na dia man because major policies bi o ha no mo a enyo no na e dey on the implementing enti their work can being at the office going for meetings, strategic decisions, and other things. It is recent times and the DNA call. But me, I see the NDC focusing on the power now. When we get the power, I mean, how am I in a Juma? Be say at some point, decision be the vice president Granule take it. Grofubi na ye Juma no na omode accord cabinet na whatever it is. So me the health and other issues here. I don't want to focus on it now. Say the Evans adding the track records and yema why year since Obaye into the NDC joining the former president John Dramani Mahama and the impact awenya. Of course, because you won't mean discount it. Effort our central region said the Evans Eken Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia this year this 2020 elections because we win mejumo at a point or coho making sure the seats be hard more strategically no also when edema the NPP and then no nama and they even that the effort to put it in crown and nama this parliament crazy so it tells you that baby and the free banner strategically ebetimi abwa and per the wire kakra from the last election bano. I think that some of the money corner so or the onye from Subia and let us get the power. Yenya power ni we are the aka wo kan na meetings ni ade ne de. Yenya power ni we no de say ho de.
Apart from say central region in opposition on betray. What has been her impact on the party?
Kofi, you see mahunu ewo some events and also what say Enra na me din komo bi around. I was looking at Nirola or play as a woman and it can be fast so betimi a win that community no ediama the NDC and Kofi I can tell you that in opposition me mahu sa adwuma na all year going to some events any other programs onye so loud to say ebi abeka Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na in opposition kra no now on also mounted platforms because or your economists now onim what is happening at the time and obusa those questions of course on also or your academia from the academia until you wouldn't want to get those things maybe I would compare Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in opposition now raising issues about the economy some questions are all through the opposition but underground I've seen her in some events or how just or the target in the focus in your how about winning mano and I'll share pictures in any idea. It tells you that community knows I already somewhere accepting
the man within the NDC.
Who?
A man within the NDC.
Kofi. They are floating voters.
Okay.
I am telling you, sir, some of them are also rooting for her. And with him say no crown at a point. Even the MPP, they take a decision.
Say the chief of staff.
You see,
on anti-free
yes, and this woman, which was the name,
Natoshi, yeah, which anti-freeman will be the best, the best terrible and the worst choice for the MPP.
You see,
I mean, considering her also current age and everything as a vice president.
Yes.
I mean, come on.
At what point another discussion by? So that discussion by because of Jane.
Now, as I don't get BB.
Akuma FM. I think 87.9.
Sir John, in the NDC BB Koso. Their desperation over certain things is getting too exposed. I said, stop fighting over positions and let's win first. NDC for position.
I'm telling you. Enra.
Omone nama. We could starting nante say where your board chair will be start. They are as if say they've just won the power. Now why na this adwin no
that is
womo pray womo sa
e dangerous at the moment.
Minim for you to work and go and do your campaign apart from say John Dramani Mahama a campaign a few communicators is there this serious
you see I'm sure say be almost leverage on the current situation.
Now I'm
telling you that
let Mahama na kasa Ghana for your
yes hu ni say niam nye enya wo mo krom wo so ho no nko an Kofi efamfo yi didi nkomo that ye ba power. But sometimes when they say those things make a jump the bema mo hweso ya adwuma no a mo nya mo adwuma.
Let us all go for the hand. When we kill the game,
we can share the meat. Now can say nra share setup no say the city share setup no enra wo share how the arrangement ne city a you see enra me can say me we say omo hwe omo hu ni say aban ne ba so mo take front seat no mo na take front no
Evans
omo na take front.
I mean this thing is getting serious and I'm surprised. Opposition this is a critical election but yeah mama NDC for nwe say MPP enungu ase betima ye omo enunyam
that is I know they say I know common omo ni say
campaign cry
and you hear some of them saying say uko position niema bia niema decision we take bia no bad decisions that be take and everything you say at a point e man be so the opposition is just staring at you.
No.
But massa adwuma wo ho